Hello and welcome to this month's Heatline video blog. This month we're going to talk about the difference between a daylight opening and a fitted connection, and what products can intersect with a daylight versus fitted connection opening. So to speak about the difference between a daylight opening and a fitted connection, I've put together a little example here out of 1.5 ABS pipe. So when we speak of a fitted connection, what we mean is a threaded male or female connection that a fitting can actually thread and seal into to provide a watertight pressure seal. And in a moment, we'll speak about one of our products that can intersect with that. Now, when we say a daylight opening, what it means is that there's no threaded connection. The threaded connection is actually non-existent, and there's just an opening to daylight. Now, this would be used when maybe you're dealing with a condensate line where there's no pressure or the potential of backup into the drainage pipe. And now we'll also speak about some products that can be installed through a daylight opening. Now, a product that can be commonly used with a threaded connection would be our Retroline internal pipe freeze protection system. And that could be used in a condensate line, a sump pump line, even potentially a water line where you have a threaded connection. And in the case of this example, we have an 1.5 ABS threaded connection. Maybe this is coming from a sump pump that is headed outside, and you can use the Retroline in an 1.5 male threaded version to thread right into that fitting. So now, as you can see here, I've went ahead and actually inserted the Retroline into our test example and threaded it directly into that connection. So now we have a watertight, pressure sealed connection. As I said, this could be installed sump pumps, maybe a condensate pump where there's a potential for back pressure and you want that watertight seal, or possibly even a water line where you have a threaded connection. So when it comes to a daylight opening, we have two products that may be suitable depending on the application. One is our Paladin for pipe or Paladin for roof heating cable system, and the other one is our EXT series heating cable system. And in the two examples I have here, you'll notice that the EXT heating cable has more of a gloss finish to the heating cable outer jacket. And the reason is that this heating cable outer jacket is a fluoropolymer, so what we refer to as an EXT T-series, whereas the Paladin heating cable system has a modified polyolefin outer jacket similar to, we'll say, rubber. And the reason that I have both of these products here is that when you're dealing with a condensate line that has a daylight opening, when there's a potential for a higher pH level or for the drainage to be more acidic, it's always best to upgrade to the T-jacketed fluoropolymer heating cable. And now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you would just insert this through a daylight opening. So as you see here in this example, I've gone and just inserted the Paladin right into the daylight opening and ran it down the pipe. And what this is gonna do is freeze protect the inside of this drain line from the inside and provide a melt water path for liquids to flow through, and we still have that daylight opening. So the main difference, fitted connection, daylight opening. Fitted connection is a sealed, watertight connection for pressure or to prevent fluids from backing up through your entry point. A daylight opening is more of an opening where it is open, you've inserted the cable, but you don't have a watertight sealed connection. So not an ideal setup if you have pressure or there's ever concerns of that water backing up to the fitting point. We hope you found this video blog helpful. We'll continue to release a new video blog monthly, so make sure to stay up to date by signing up for our email newsletter, following us on Facebook, subscribing to YouTube, or our other social media channels. Thank you for watching.